Then you want to do a blue and gold one too? Is that what that is there?
No, that's blue and yellow.
That's fine. Blue and yellow?
Over there is blue and gold. See the difference?
No. Maybe it's because, sorry, the light's behind me.
Take it out in the light, you'll see.
Okay.
What color thread? All green. This is the color thread I have.
Yeah. I think you need a broom to clean this up.
Never mind.
This is Sophie's, right?
Yes.
Special made for Sophie Maurer.
Oops, did I get in the way?
Way to go look.
Looks good
What
to me.
did you decide?
I think it's blue. That is blue. It doesn't look blue to me. But if you insist, where's the other one you're going to do for the blue?
So you're from northern Michigan.
Yeah.
Northern part of the southern peninsula.
You know where Alpena is?
Is that north of Clare?
Yes, north and east. We're kind of on the coast of Lake Huron.
But we're 2 miles away. We're on a bluff.
These upper two roads a little bit further apart. Does that matter? Okay.
We promise not to point it out.
Okay. Give it a haircut.
It's like
Come over here on the other side.
Long ago, this.
Oh my goodness. Where do you get
Well,
your...
let me see. I'm not a perfect man.
Looks good.
Not quite straight enough.
That's okay.